this sign is perfect. If you want to advertise something, put it in the background. This, you can plug it in and it changes colors, but I use it just like this. I never turn it on. And I always forget that this thing is a speaker. So this is a Bluetooth speaker with the sign that changes colors. So basically what I recommend, right, what I do with this is basically, right, because you can, right, it comes with all these letters. It come like that, and you put them here, you see, and you can write like the message that you want. Oh, let's put it here like that, you see. You stick it like that, it's like a marquee from a movie theater, right? And you can put and repeat, right? You can like maybe make a nice recording, and since this is Bluetooth, it'll play whatever you put on it, and you can put like a loop recording of whatever you're announcing. So this speaker could be running and being like a commercial, right? An advertisement of the whatever product you're selling. So very recommended. This usually lives in my channel in the back. I seldomly turn it on, but now I'll play some music from it. So, and the music sounds good. There's a speaker here, really nice speaker here, and you can play some music. So it's music plus the whatever you write here, like a message board, plus the like disco colors that you can get from this. So super recommended.